Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a stable video on CapCut. So here I've already added a video that's a little bit shaky on CapCut, and I want to make this video more stable. So you can just click on the video, and here you can just swipe until you find the stabilize options on CapCut. So just click on that, and here I'm going to choose the most stable setting and click on the check icon. Now it's stabilizing and you can just wait. Now the stabilizations has been applied, and here is the final result. So it looks more stable now than before. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.